All right, so I got an email about some of these questions to see if they're Pythagorean theorem or not, or state if each one is a right triangle. So I'm just going to do example 9, and hopefully that should help you guys out. So as I look at example 9, this is, there. Remember, your A and your B are your legs, C is your hypotenuse, and it's supposed to be the longest side. So if I look at question number 9, and I'm looking specifically at 12, 9, and 15, that means C would be 15. And A and B would be 12 and 9. I don't know if this is going to be a right triangle or not. It has to follow the whole Pythagorean theorem. So if I do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So in my case here, 12 squared plus 9 squared equals 15 squared. All right, so 12 squared is 144 plus 81 equals 225. So the question is, does 144 plus 81 equal 225? And if I need to, you can take out your calculator if you need your help on that. But let's see, 1 plus 4 is 5, 14 plus 8 is 225. That means these two sides are equal to each other, so check mark, yes, this is a right triangle because it followed the Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Let me look at number 12 next. All right, so now let's look at number 12 and see if that's the case. Actually, never mind. I'm going to do number 11 because I know those square roots are probably messing you up. All right, square root of 115 is approximately 10 point something. It's not nearly 11. So 11 is the largest side, so 11 has to be my C. So this would be A and this would be B. So if I do A squared plus B squared equals C squared, A would be, okay, 9 squared plus the square root of 115 squared equals 11 squared. Well, 11 squared is 121. 9 squared is 81. What happens to a square and a square root? Think back into algebra. Square and square roots cancel each other out, so this would just be 115. Well, what is 81 plus 115 is 196. It does not equal 121, so this is not a right triangle. I hope that helps for all of you guys having questions.